Did you know that Arabian horses are the best horses for endurance riding? And did you know that homing pigeons can fly like up to 600 miles in a day? We found that out having spent the weekend at the Arabian farms in Ephraim, Utah, which is just at the base of the LaSalle Mountains in central Utah. And this has been such a delight. We got to meet Arabian horses and homing pigeons, and we actually even got to take a ride with some of the horses. And here we are. Oh, these guys were beauts. You're a good boy, aren't you? One of the mares here is actually almost ready to give birth. Oh, look at that big belly. How are you doing? Oh, yeah. Where we stayed was just one of the many wonderful sites that are offered on CurbNTurf. And we just happened to find this one in Ephraim, Utah. We came up for the Scandinavian Festival because our son and our nephew was actually playing in the band as one of the headliner bands at the Scandinavian Festival. They're in the Fox Brothers band, and oh, it was so much fun. But let me tell you a little bit about this site here. It's right in the middle of the valley here in Ephraim, Utah. And what a gorgeous place. We've got the LaSalle Mountains, and this is a relatively new farm or ranchette. It's a small outfit, but the hosts here were so gracious and allowed us to stay, and we had a delightful time. Burl and Shalee were such fantastic hosts. We actually even brought out the pizza oven and enjoyed some pizza last night with them. It was a lot of fun. So first of all, we went to the Scandinavian Festival over the weekend, and some of the highlights were, of course, the Scandinavian culture. And the village that they had set up there was top-notch. The food was delicious. There was a fantastic car show. Some of my favorites, here, check them out. And while you're doing that, write in the comment what your favorite classic car is. And then after the car show, we actually went to the main stage and got to listen to the Fox Brothers band. They were fantastic. So anyway, back to the ranch. Let's take a look at the pigeons. And these pigeons are living the life. They get to live in this converted classic trailer. And then of course you've got your traditional coop. Let's see if we can check in on how the pigeons are doing. Yeah, they seem to be okay. These little critters here, the way their races are actually done is that they have a chip that they carry, and they're taken a long, long ways away. and then up to, you know, maybe 600 miles or so. Then they're let free, and the idea is that they head right back to their home, right here. And wouldn't you love, and why wouldn't they want to be here? I mean, they're living in an RV. So they can travel around 600 miles in one day. These guys are fast. They're about 60 miles an hour, and they don't have to deal with traffic, although they do have to avoid some of the, you know, flying predators, falcons, eagles, hawks, that type of thing. But they can book it, and they'll come right back here. And when they land, it's recorded when they, on their chip as to how fast they were flying. And then what they do is they do an average mile per hour, and they win the race accordingly. So that was a fascinating thing to learn about homing pigeons as well. Another highlight was that Santa and Mrs. Claus got to go out on a little horse race, if you will, just around the neighborhood here. And let me tell you something. I'm sure glad that I get to ride in the comfort of a sleigh rather than saddling up the reindeer, because Santa, his saddle backside is a bit sore. But we went 4 miles around, and I started thinking, the endurance races for these Arabians are usually 25, 50 miles, and sometimes even up to 100 miles. Whew. I went 4, and ooh, my backside's a little bit sore. Another great thing about this site was that I was able to invite my brothers and their partners to come go camping with us. And so they stayed with us Friday and Saturday night, and we had a great time. We had campfire at night, shared old stories, and ate some good food. And then we went to the Scandinavian Festival together. It was a lot of fun. And our host, Shali, her contribution to the farm is the goats. Yeah, she loves those goats. And I don't know if they're racing goats or not. I doubt it. Maybe if we put them out, for a 100-mile trot, that they'd never come home. So bottom line, we had a fantastic time here. And just like the homing pigeons, I think I've got this spot programmed in my head, and I'm gonna return. So it's been a wonderful time. And so, would you like to camp with Santa and Mrs. Claus? Well, we'd love for you to join us. So follow along, and we'll keep you posted on where we're headed. And hopefully, we'll see you at a nice CurbNTurf spot where we're staying.